Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the quick and dirty way to change one of these, and this is the way that I do it unless there's something seriously wrong with the inlet stem on the thing. There's a gray clip down here at the bottom right here. Down there's a gray or sometimes clear clip. You pull that up. Turn this a little bit. There's no need to take the whole thing out all the way to the supply hose. You just pull this off. Boom. Pull that off. This has O-rings on it that seal it onto that stem. Take out your new one out of the box. Reverse. This is the thing. You pull this up. Watch. Boom. Pull that up. Twist this slightly, pull it out, boom. Okay, get yourself a little bit of silicone grease, stick it right on that O-ring, right there. A little bit of silicone grease, make it easy to put it back on. I should have been paying attention to the height, but it really doesn't matter because these things are so easy to adjust the height anyway. So then you just carefully pop that right back on. Slide it down. Usually if you get this cap about an inch or so below here, you're probably within reason. So then you make sure you push this gray thing back down to lock it into place. What I'm talking about is this sliding gizmo here to lock it into place. You need to clip it. Boom. Well, this one's not on the thing, so it just slides right off. But it basically would be in this position right here when you're all done. Okay, so there you go. All you gotta do is reattach the hose. Might as well put the new hose on. So let's just go ahead and do that. Stick a new hose on there. Just slides on the valve. And put this on. This goes on like this. And then cut this to length. Decent length to be about right there. And there you have it. Turn the water jack on, slowly. I'm going to replace the flapper on this one too, but that's pretty easy. I don't think you really need me to show you how to replace the flapper. If you do, then you should probably just call a plumber. There you go. Quick and dirty fix.